Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Topic for today's quiz is SSCCGL Tier 1 to 2018. Question number 1. Thoda a spot dance belongs to which of the following states? Option A. Sikkim. Option B. Haryana. Option C. Himachal Pradesh. Option D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is Option C. Himachal Pradesh. Thoda. It is a martial form of Himachal Pradesh, practiced by bows and arrows. Thoda is a martial art form from Himachal Pradesh. The sport demands excellent expertise in archery. Question number 2. Which country was the first to implement Goods and Services Tax, GST? Option A. France. Option B. Germany. Option C. Canada. Option D. USA. The correct answer is Option A. France. France was the first country to implement the GST in 1954. Since then, an estimated 160 countries have adopted this tax system in some form or another. Some of the countries with a GST include Canada, Vietnam, Australia, Singapore, United Kingdom, Monaco, Spain, Italy, Nigeria, Brazil, South Korea, and India. Question number 3. The Tata Iron and Steel Company, TISCO, was established by Dorabji Tata in Option A. 1911. Option B. 1907. Option C. 1913. Option D. 1919. The correct answer is Option B. 1907. Tata Steel's Jamshedpur plant at night Tata Iron and Steel Company, TISCO, was founded by Jamsetji Tata and established by Dorabji Tata on the 26th of August 1907. TISCO started pig iron production in 1911 and began producing steel in 1912 as a branch of Jamsetji's Tata Group. The first steel ingot was manufactured on the 16th of February 1912. Question number 4. Who was the first female Director General of Police in Puducherry? Option Kiran Bedi. Option B. Kanchan Chaudhary. Option C. Sundari Nanda. Option D. Aswati Tong. The correct answer is Option C. Sundari Nanda. Puducherry, one of the Union Territories of India, got its first woman Director General of Police on Monday, July 9. First woman to helm post S. Sundari Nanda has taken over as the Union Territory's first woman Director General of Police, reported The Hindu. Question number 5. Which gas in its solid state is also known as dry ice? Option A. Carbon dioxide. Option B. Hydrogen. Option C. Nitrogen. Option D. Oxygen. The correct answer is Option A. Carbon dioxide. Dry ice is the solid form of carbon dioxide. It is used primarily as a cooling agent, but is also used in fog machines at theaters for dramatic effects. Its advantages include lower temperature than that of water ice and not leaving any residue, other than incidental frost from moisture in the atmosphere. Question number 6. The Malimat Committee report deals with Option A. Judicial delays. Option B. Stock market reforms. Option C. Textile sector reforms. Option D. Criminal justice system reforms. The correct answer is Option D. Criminal justice system reforms. The Committee on Reforms of the Criminal Justice System, headed by Justice V.S. Malimat, submitted its report to the Ministry of Home Affairs in April 2003. Amnesty International is concerned that the committee's report represents a very limited approach to the issue of reform of the criminal justice system in the country. Question number 7. The Indian National Association was established in 1876 by in Calcutta. Option A. V.K. Chiplunkar. Option B. Anand Mohan Bose. Option C. Sisir Kumar Ghosh. Option D. Badruddin Tyabji. The correct answer is Option B. Anand Mohan Bose. Indian National Association was the first declared nationalist organization founded in British India by Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Mohan Bose in 1876. It was originally established as Bharat Sabha and held its first annual conference in Calcutta. It merged in INC in 1885. Question number 8. Which of the following places was ruled by the Awadhya dynasty? Option A. Guwahati. Option B. Patna. Option C. Jabalpur. Option D. Mysore. The correct answer is Option D. Mysore. Adiyaduraya Vodeyar. Ruling period 1399 to 1423. Adiyaduraya Vodeyar or Raja Vijaya Raj Vodeyar was the first king of Mysore. Question number 9. Which of the following elements is a metalloid? Option A. Silicon. Option B. Bismuth. Option C. Tin. Option D. Phosphorus. The correct answer is Option A. Silicon. The metalloids are generally considered to be boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, polonium, usually recognized, sometimes considered a metal, astatine, sometimes recognized, otherwise seen as a halogen. Question number 10. Methylpropane is an isomer of Option A. N-pentane. Option B. N-butane. Option C. N-propane. Option D. N-hexane. The correct answer is Option B. N-butane. Isobutane, also known as ibutane, 2-methylpropane or methylpropane, is a chemical compound with molecular formula HC, CH3, 3. It is an isomer of butane. Isobutane is a colorless, odorless gas. Question number 11. Name the first ever judge of the Supreme Court against whom the motion of impeachment was introduced into Parliament in independent India. Option A. Justice Mahajan. Option B. Justice Subba Rao. Option C. Justice Viraswamy. Option D. Justice Ramaswamy. The correct answer is Option D. Justice Ramaswamy. Justice V. Ramaswamy has the dubious distinction of being the first judge against whom impeachment proceedings were initiated. In 1993, the motion was brought up in Lok Sabha, but it failed to secure the required 2/3 majority. Question number 12. Sundari, a well-known species of trees, is found in Option A. Tropical deciduous forests. Option B. Mangrove forests. Option C. Himalayan mountains. Option D. Tropical rainforests. The correct answer is Option B. Mangrove forests. Sundari, heteroforms, belongs to the family Malvaceae, locally or most commonly known as Sundari tree. It is an endangered species of mangrove, presently found in some protected area of Sundarban in India and Bangladesh. Due to top dying disease, this plant's dying significantly. Question number 13. Which of the following is mined in the Badampahar mines of Odisha? Option A. Bauxite. Option B. Dolomite. Option C. Azurite. Option D. Hematite. The correct answer is Option D. Hematite. In Odisha, high-grade hematite ore is found in Badampahar mines in the Mayurbhanj and Kendujhar districts. In the adjoining Singhbhum district of Jharkhand, hematite iron ore is mined in Goa and Nova Mundi. Question number 14. Which queen died fighting Mughal armies while defending Gadha Katanga in 1564? Option A. Rani Durgavati. Option B. Rani Alhayabai. Option C. Rani Rudrambara. Option D. Rani Avantibai. The correct answer is Option A. Rani Durgavati. Rani Durgavati Madhavi, October 5, 1524, June 24, 1564, was a ruling queen of Gondwana from 1550 until 1564. Rani Durgavati died fighting Mughal armies while defending Gadha Katanga on June 24, 1564. Question number 15. Who attacked and looted the famous Somnath temple in 1026 AD? Option A. Mahmud of Ghazni. Option B. Muhammad Ghori. Option C. Nadir Shah. Option D. Genghis Khan. The correct answer is Option A. Mahmud of Ghazni. In AD 1026, Mahmud of Ghazni first looted the temple, and then came Afzal Khan, the commander of Alauddin Khilji and later Aurangzeb. It is said that the temple was looted and destroyed as many as 17 times. Question number 16. The property of catenation is predominant in underscore. Option A. Silicon. Option B. Nitrogen. Option C. Sulfur. Option D. Carbon. The correct answer is Option D. Carbon. Catenation is a property of an element to form a linkage with the same elements. Catenation mostly occurs in carbon, which forms a covalent bond with other carbon atoms. Catenation can also occur in silicon, boron, and boron. Question number 17. The underscore edition of the India-Indonesia Coordinated Patrol, IND Indo-Corpat, held from 19 March to 4 April 2019 was inaugurated at Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Option A. 23rd. Option B. 45th. Option C. 33rd. Option D. 42nd. The correct answer is Option C. 33rd. The 33rd edition of India-Indonesia Coordinated Patrol, IND Indo-Corpat was inaugurated at Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The IND Indo-Corpat 2019 is held from 19 March to 4 April 2019. Question number 18. The lone gold medal for India was won by underscore at the 38th GB boxing tournament held at Helsinki, Finland. Option A. Naveen Kumar. Option B. Kavinder Singh Bisht. Option C. Shiva Thapa. Option D. Muhammad Hussamuddin. The correct answer is Option B. Kavinder Singh Bisht. The 38th GB boxing tournament was held in Helsinki, Finland. The Indian medal winners from the tournament are listed below. The lone gold medal for India was won by Kavinder Singh Bisht. He won against Indian counterpart Muhammad Hussamuddin in the summit clash in the 56 kg category. Muhammad Hussamuddin settled for silver. Question number 19. Which of the following is not a part of the Char Dham Yatra in North India? Option A. Vaishno Devi. Option B. Kedarnath. Option C. Gangotri. Option D. Badrinath. The correct answer is Option A. Vaishno Devi. The Char Dham, meaning four abodes, is a set of 4 pilgrimage sites in India. Hindus believe that visiting these sites helps achieve moksha, salvation. The 4 dhams are Badrinath, Dwarka, Puri, and Rameshwaram. It is believed that every Hindu should visit the Char Dhams during one's lifetime. The Char Dham as defined by Adi Shankaracharya consists of 4 Hindu pilgrimage sites. Question number 20. During the Sao Joao festivities, Goans present underscore to each other. Option A. Beer. Option B. Flowers. Option C. Fish. Option D. Fruits. The correct answer is Option D. Fruits. Sao Joao or Sao Joao is a Catholic festival celebrated in Goa in an unusual manner, with people leaping into and swimming in wells, streams, and ponds as a form of tribute to Saint John the Baptist. It occurs on June 24 every year. Question number 21. Underscore was named the cleanest city in the Swachh Survekshan Survey 2019. Option A. Indore. Option B. Mysore. Option C. Surat. Option D. Ujjain. The correct answer is Option A. Indore. Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Indore, the largest and the most populous city in Madhya Pradesh, has proved that a city can be kept clean with its citizens' participation. Question number 22. The movement of the local farmers of Bardoli in Gujarat against the British in 1928 was led by _ Option A. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Option B. Lokmanya Tilak. Option C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D. Vallabhbhai Patel. The correct answer is Option D. Vallabhbhai Patel. The Bardoli Satyagraha 1928 was a movement in the independence struggle led by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for the farmers of Bardoli against the unjust raising of taxes. Question number 23. Wilson's disease is an inherited disorder in which excessive amounts of _ accumulate in the body. Option A. Sodium. Option B. Copper. Option C. Calcium. Option D. Iron. The correct answer is Option B. Copper. Wilson disease is an inherited disorder in which excessive amounts of copper accumulate in the body, particularly in the liver, brain, and eyes. The signs and symptoms of Wilson disease usually first appear between the ages of 6 and 45, but they most often begin during the teenage years. Question number 24. The instrument of surrender which ended the Portuguese rule in India was signed on _ Option A. 29th of December 1951. Option B. 19th of December 1961. Option C. 15th of August 1947. Option D. 26th of January 1948. The correct answer is Option B. 19th of December 1961. When all methods failed to yield results, the Indian military invaded the Portuguese territories of Goa, Daman, and Diu in December 1961. The Portuguese were outnumbered by the Indian armed forces. On December 19, 1961, the governor of Portuguese India was forced to sign the instrument of surrender, which ended the Portuguese rule in India. Question number 25. The East India Company sent Captain William Hawkins to the court of Emperor _ in 1608 to seek permission to open a factory at Surat. Option A. Jahangir. Option B. Humayun. Option C. Akbar. Option D. Shah Jahan. The correct answer is Option A. Jahangir. In 1607, William Hawkins commanded the ship Hector for East India Company on a voyage to Surat and Aden loaded with letters and presents from King of England James I. He arrived in Surat in August 1608, but the road ahead was not a cakewalk. Akbar, who was contemporary of Queen Elizabeth I, was little known in England, but when Hawkins arrived, there was a different personality sitting on the throne who was not at all known in England. But Captain Hawkins was received by this new Emperor Jahangir with all Indian hospitality and warmth. His letter was read in the court with the help of a Portuguese Jesuit. Then he was taken to the private audience chamber and they had a conversation for some 3 hours. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.